Ever felt that little pang of frustration at the checkout? You're ready to make a purchase, but you realize you've forgotten your debit card, or maybe you're facing an unexpected expense and need a little extra financial flexibility. That's where a credit card can be a real lifesaver. But navigating the application process can sometimes feel like a maze. Today, we're cutting through the complexity and focusing specifically on Commonwealth Bank. So, if you've ever asked yourself, how can I apply for a credit card with Commonwealth Bank, you're in the right place. Let's be honest, credit cards can be confusing. There are so many different types, each with its own set of features, fees, and eligibility criteria. It's easy to get lost in the jargon. But don't worry, we're going to break it all down into simple, easy to understand steps, so you can confidently apply for the right card for your needs. Before we dive into the application process itself, it's crucial to understand why you might want a credit card in the first place. It's not just about spending money you don't have. When used responsibly, a credit card can offer several benefits. For example, it can help you build a positive credit history, which is essential for things like securing a loan or mortgage in the future. It can also provide a convenient way to manage your expenses, especially for online purchases or when traveling. Plus, many credit cards offer rewards programs, allowing you to earn points, cashback, or even frequent flyer miles. However, it's equally important to acknowledge the potential downsides. If you're not careful, it's easy to accumulate debt and incur high interest charges. So, responsible use is key. Always make sure you can comfortably repay the amount you spend and avoid only making minimum payments. Now, let's get down to the specifics of applying for a credit card with Commonwealth Bank. The first thing you'll need to do is determine which card is right for you. Commonwealth Bank offers a range of credit cards, each designed to cater to different needs and lifestyles. Some cards are geared towards frequent travelers, offering travel insurance and airport lounge access. Others focus on rewards programs, allowing you to earn points on everyday spending. And some offer low interest rates or balance transfer options. To find the perfect fit, head over to the Commonwealth Bank website. Their website is a great resource, providing detailed information about each card, including interest rates, fees, and eligibility criteria. Take some time to compare the different options and consider your own spending habits and financial goals. Do you travel frequently? Are you looking to earn rewards? Or are you primarily focused on a low interest rate? Answering these questions will help you narrow down your choices. Once you've chosen a card, you can start the application process. Commonwealth Bank offers several ways to apply. The most common method is online, which is usually the quickest and most convenient option. You can also apply in person at a Commonwealth Bank branch or over the phone. If you choose to apply online, you'll need to fill out an application form. This form will ask for personal information, such as your name, address, date of birth, and contact details. You'll also need to provide information about your employment, income, and financial situation. Be prepared to provide supporting documentation, such as payslips, bank statements, or tax returns. This helps the bank assess your creditworthiness and determine whether you're eligible for the card. It's crucial to be honest and accurate when filling out the application form. Providing false or misleading information can result in your application being rejected. After you've submitted your application, Commonwealth Bank will review it. This process can take a few days, or sometimes longer, depending on the complexity of your application. The bank will assess your credit history, income, and other financial factors to determine whether you meet their eligibility criteria. If your application is approved, you'll receive your new credit card in the mail, usually within a few weeks. You'll also receive information about your credit limit, interest rate, and other important details. Now, let's summarize the key steps in the application process. First, research and choose the right card for your needs. Second, gather all the necessary documentation, including proof of identity, income, and address. Third, complete the application form accurately and honestly. Fourth, submit your application online, in person, or over the phone. And finally, wait for the bank to review your application and notify you of their decision. It's also worth mentioning a few common reasons why credit card applications might be rejected. A poor credit history is a major factor. If you have a history of late payments, defaults, or bankruptcies, it can negatively impact your chances of approval. Insufficient income is another common reason. The bank needs to be confident that you can comfortably repay the amount you borrow. And finally, providing inaccurate or incomplete information on your application can also lead to rejection. So, what can you do to improve your chances of approval? First, ensure you have a good credit history. Make sure you pay your bills on time and avoid defaulting on any loans. Second, demonstrate a stable income. Providing payslips or other proof of income can help strengthen your application. And finally, double-check all the information you provide on your application form to ensure it's accurate and complete. Applying for a credit card with Commonwealth Bank doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these simple steps and understanding the key factors involved, you can increase your chances of approval and gain access to the financial flexibility and benefits that a credit card can offer. Remember to choose the right card for your needs, be honest and accurate in your application, and always use your credit card responsibly.